The big brand sale is on at OK Furniture and it's too good to miss. Enjoy massive savings on brands you know and love. And when you spend 2,999 or more, you'll stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 50,000 rands. Browse our catalog and grab your favorites before the 4th of May 2025. While stocks last, T's and C's apply.
It is KTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times.co.za. Marumo Gallants 2, FNB Stadium up against the Kaizer Chiefs, Ekore 1. Marumo Gallants 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. And I've got a legend. And andivumile kanga uqala le interview. Ungakhange uyithethe enye into ekufanele uyithethile. Yivule Mr. Tso officially.
Amhlekazi omhle ngasokubhubhubha ngicawa.
Mr. Tso.
Angibulise wena Shane mfethu. Ngibulise Mr Nkewu, ngibulise Machakalaka, ngibulise Chairman.
Anikwazi nje, what's happening?
Hey.
What's happening Mr. Tso?
You know Shane maphuma ukuyojima kakhulu, umzimba uba buhlungu, amandla aphelile ngoba ujime kakhulu uthi uzilungiselela umdlalo omkhulu. Kanti uzohlala ebenchini.
Eish.
Ngilapho kona Shane.
Zange wahlala ebenchini so wena. Awuzange wayenza.
Ngahlala nje ebenchini nje.
Hayi.
Ngicala nje ngithi ukuthi
Hayi,
bakubeka kancane kodwa bengeke iphele igame ngisebenchini.
Hayi. You spend most of your time ebaleni so.
Yeah, hey Shane man, hey. Le weekend akusikwento enhle man.
Mr. So kwenzakaleni? What's happening?
Hey le weekend Shane ayikusi weekend enhle for mina man. Umzimba wami obuhlungu kakhulu man. One kudliwe Pirates izolo.
Eish.
Manje kudliwa amakhosi.
Eish.
Hey Shane.
Isowethu idandathekile so.
Yazi Shane akufanelanga ukuthi endlini nidliwe nonke endlini.
Eish.
Kodwa at least ukhona umntwana wethu omunye usijabulisile wena Shane. Yeah, usijabulisile lo munye umntwana wethu we finally ne Champions League. Yeah, akuvalekanga konke.
Khona lapho kuvuleke khona Mr.
Yeah, khona la kuthe kuvuleka ngakhona kodwa ngona nje umzimba uyawuza umzimba ubuhlungu wena Shane.
Eish.
Ngoba phela nakho kubenjalo. Hey,
Anyway.
amakhosi amahle.
Anyway, so let's get back into the game. Kaizer Chiefs have lost namhlanje against Marumo Gallants. Iluze yabo ye-11 lela Mr. Tso. Kule season umdlalo wabo 25. Bashekele only 3 games. Their next 3 fixtures is Pirates next week with Derby. There's this Kukune, then bayivale FNB against iPolokwane City. But before sithethe ngento zabuza in future masithethe ngalo mdlalo namhlanje. Ubone njani umdlalo namhlanje against iMarumo Gallants?
Yazi Shane uyakhathala nawo umuntu. Yazi ba mawulu boxing uhlale umeso bayiloko bayakushaya la uzokhathala la kulokuvikile uzovula bakuthole busweni. Yeah no lento ye Chiefs yakhathaza manje. No look they started very well.
Yeah.
Started very well, combination play there and then beautiful goal ega Lilepo and after that then ke base bavala store azange sathengiswa. They allow Marumo Gallants to come back and play. Look, Marumo Gallants there were moments second half where I think they allowed Chiefs to come back to the game where they were in control of the game.
Yeah.
I think in terms of what they wanted to do, Marumo Gallants did it. They played very well. They controlled that midfield.
Yeah.
They used the wingers very well, and they were giving Elon Tuzana Chiefs a serious problem. I'm very concerned. I'm very concerned with that position of centre back at Chiefs.
Yeah.
Yes, we're talking in the Solomon's with no Berangenega Kudu. That's why they created that goal. But now I'm looking at it good thing. What was the reason for him? Udangenega cool parent. there was an action ye cross where ukwinyika phambili le there was striker
Udion,
and then
yeah.
Udion and then it was uLontuzana uSolomons here in between them and that ball is a sola so now uSolomon saw ukuthi ukwinyika unida help la
Yeah.
it means what is that I need to do I need to go inside and my makangena phakathi now umuntu wakhe la instead of him calling Kwinyika ungabi usespacing pick your man and then mina ngibheke la because now mangena la idlala la ibhola then I look like ngathi I'm out of position so I don't know uphuma kwakhe uphume is because of the yellow card or uphume because of the goal createwa laphana and also I don't know what happened to Ucele maybe save Vela for next week because I think they were much better and yeah they make some changes Shane second half Ungcobo came in Castillo came in Potsane came in and I think they started now to play
Yeah.
they said look Uduba it's he just need more support Uduba just need more support because mabangena laba naye uye wavuka ke naye ke manje he makes those runs one thing I like about him when he plays as a striker
Yeah.
and there's one thing that I think why Uduba will always play Chiefs I think he takes the instructions from the coach when he plays as a winger when they tell him to go up and down he does that they say play as a striker he knows that whatever that he needs to do he must be inside this box
Yeah.
if you can check Amaranzwak was always making those runs here inside the box and look at the chance I told you Lemazo Shaya Ipale Lapaya it tells you that's the striker's positions where whatever run you make awabela in the big box ukuthi mawuthola ulay you can take a shot and yeah Uduba did very well for me Castillo came in with the header Castillo he's giving Chiefs something that they don't have of a midfielder that is heading in the box because in that ball Uduba again made that cross for Castillo to head and the goalkeeper made a very good save and it tells you how many midfielders does that then uyabona ukuthi kuningi kufanele kulungiswe cross lapana emuva I think he played much better than the other center backs with Chiefs I think he was more in control yes we're talking nomsenkewu la ukuthi abakambizi ukuthi indoda siyeza kuwe manje bese siyambona but when you look at the game sometimes how you position yourself inokwenza ngathi they don't come to you attack but the way you position yourself position yourself in a manner that they need to go somewhere else they mustn't come to you because it's closed in your side and I think he played very well in that position I can try him in that position
Yeah.
I can try him. I
As
can
a
try
center
him.
back.
Yeah, he was good reader of the game, getting the ball, passing, good covering for Ukwinyika. There were moments where Ukwinyika was caught going out his position, but he was nearer to him. Now by losing ball, and now he was there getting the ball and play. I think he did very well. Then I don't know again.
There was Aiden McCarthy sitting on the bench. When you see him, coach like he left back, I say left center back, then you have a natural center back. I am that person who believes if you are a natural center back, you can play there. I don't believe if you are a natural center back, you should sit on the bench. Then a natural left back is Odlala, a left center back. I'm not saying Kroos had a bad game. He had a good game. He had a solid game. But Aiden McCarthy umnike chance during this time of the season. Remember, Kushege 3 games.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe you cannot throw him into the deep end. Mhlawumbe umqalise in the derby. We don't know ukuthi ucoach nabo ucinga ntoni. But don't you think ukuthi mhlawumbe igame yanamhlanje was the perfect game to play with Aiden McCarthy?
Shane, there's something that we're talking about namachita la ukuthi once we move you from this position and we put you in another position that means we don't trust you. Uma ukhishwe in a position that is so crucial in the team, where everything needs to be start and finish in that position. Then umati bamsusa bambeka laphana as a right back. That means they don't trust him. So it goes back to say the coach doesn't trust him. That's why ngamfaki laphayana. He rather put uLontuzana a left back in that position instead of him amfaka as a natural centre back. That means the coach doesn't trust him. But yeah, the last one, Shane.
Yeah.
I don't know. Mhlambe ngiyovimba ke.
Ufuna uvimba?
Yeah, no, ngiyovimba. No, ngiyovimba. No, ngiyovimba. No, Shane ngiyovimba straight. I was telling Machaka ukuthi doesn't matter that cross mayiza. Even if Unange utashile lela bola lela. That means it was still going to be a goal.
Yeah, but so before Sivale, it should have been flagged as an offside though.
Yes.
Yeah, it should have been flagged as an
Yes,
offside.
I-
That was a clear offside. I
agree.
think the linesman missed it.
Shane, ukhumbule nawe lokho kuphakela abanye bazokuphakela nawe. Yeah. No, mangizokudishele papa wena ukunikeza ipapa kunikeza inkomazi. I must expect ukuthi nami you dish that for me. I must eat that. So it happens. Chiefs, there were games that Chiefs yes, is survivor ngama-goal anjalo where kunama offside but it's going to go in. So now it comes back to them to say yes, it was an offside to Nange, was an offside because by acting in that ball,
Yeah,
obviously I'm disturber
Sure.
So but I'm still saying, even though in that positioning yakhe was wrong, you need to decide whether you go to the ball or you stay, because one was bekaphumile palini. That means ukuthi akekho ku position right, because ukube Unange ulehedile still he was not in a position where usepalini where he can catch the ball again. So one way or another, he was doomed. So yeah, I don't know. We've been crying lapane palini. I don't know.
We don't know. We will have to wait and see. Maybe they might finish the season with Tuntwari, or maybe Coach Nabi might believe okay, let me just finish the season with him, because Gekshege only 4 games literally, because they still need to play in the Nedbank Cup final. But for Namhlanje, thank you so much for your analysis, Mr. So it's FNB Stadium. Let's say FNB Stadium Namhlanje. Kumdlalo wephethe Premiership between iKaizer Chiefs and Marumo Gallants. And lapho ke sakhumula ku first leg when Mr. So and so eBloemfontein. The first game Coach Nabi was playing against Marumo Gallants, where he won 2-1. Namhlanje ke bebedlala FNB Stadium nalapho ke iMarumo Gallants ibuyise izitya. Marumo Gallants bonakala ngathi yathanda ufuna uzibethela ku teams zaseSoweto. Kumla last month they did a similar thing in Bloemfontein. Namhlanje bayiqwela imbiza ngeKaizer Chiefs FNB Stadium. Namhlanje FNB Stadium is Kaizer Chiefs 1, Marumo Gallants 2. Thank you so much for watching it.